Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Eureka Math. Today we are going to be looking at Module 5 Lesson 1. State the dimensions and find the volume. My name is Bruce Wayne, my friends, and it's April 2017. Our problem is right here. As you can see, our problem is find out the dimensions of the figure on the left on the problem column, and we're going to write the answer on the volume column, which is the third column. So first of all, we need to know what is the length. So if you want to find the length, all you got to do, my friends, is count the number of squares, or centimeters in this case, from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 centimeters. So that will be the length. So we will write it here on the length portion of it. Now we have to find we're missing one line right here, the width. And the width is right here. And if you count the width, is what? 2 centimeters. 1, 2. So we're going to write 2 centimeters here. And now we need to find the height. So the height will be from the top to the bottom. Just like when you go to the doctor and they have to measure your height. And the height is 1, 2. So it's going to be 2 centimeters as well. Now we're going to plug that in here. So it's going to be 2 centimeters. Now I'm going to help you with using the formula. The formula for this particular problem is formula for volume. Formula for volume. The formula says volume equals length times width times height. Okay? So once you have the formula, you say volume equals length times width times height. So you got to replace the letters by the numbers. So now we know the length equals 5, volume equals 5, the length, the width is 2, and the height is 2. Okay, my friends, so far so good, right? We found the dimensions of this figure, and the dimensions are height is 2, width is 2, and length is 5. And we plug those into the formula. So now we're going to multiply them. The best way to do this, I think, will be this way. This will yield an answer of 10. Bring down that symbol here, times 2. So now we know the answer is volume equals 10 times 2 equals 20. Okay, my friends. So there's a step I missed. So actually, it's right here. So if you look at the dimensions, we have 3. There are centimeters, 3 times centimeters, representing 3 times of measurements. So if the answer for volume is going to be 20, it's going to be 20 centimeters. Okay, because we have 3 measurements, it has to be in cubic centimeters. 1, 2, 3. How do we represent cubic centimeters? We write at 3, right on that space, and now the volume is 20 cubic centimeters. And in word form, we'll write it right now. So the volume for this particular figure is, we said, 20 centimeters. So let's write it down in words. Okay, the volume of the figure is 20 cubic centimeters. Okay, my friends, this is how you find the volume of a figure such as this one. We found the dimensions, length, width, and height. We wrote it on this particular space where you're supposed to show the information that we discovered. And then we use the formula to plug in the numbers of each of the measurements to give us the answer of volume. And we also decided that because you have three measurements, your answer should have a 3. So it will be cubic centimeters in this case. It can be cubic yards, cubic meters. You decide. Okay, my friends, signing out. Look at the video again. Pay attention. Read. Go back and check. Pause the video and make sure you are learning this. Have a great day, my friends. Signing out, Mr. Bruce Wayne. Bye-bye.